Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Hi everybody, it's Katrina. So I have finished all of the Frisbee concepts that I have pulled down right now. I haven't pulled the other Frisbees down yet, but the ones that I did have out are done. And I'm going to share those with you as well as some other concepts I've done today. So I'm going to put you on the stand here, so give me a second. All right, y'all, I am back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. I have thoroughly enjoyed my day off. I have gotten several things done. I got cleaned up and then Sam's Club delivered. So I have all my Cheez-Its and candy. Still waiting on some more items, but those will arrive soon as well. So let's get started here with what I've done so far. All right, so you all saw some of these if you watched my video. These are the hair amazing dolls, and I put a dress in with each hair amazing doll. Sidewalk chalk, of course. I have candy sprinkled down in here as well as in the eggs. All right, and then I have some Fun Dip back here, blow pops, and the candy, as you can see, goes all the way down in the container. All right, so that is this concept, and it's just a little baby doll with a dress concept for a little girl. All right. I've done several of those. All right, and then I have this one, same doll, but different dress. All right, same thing, sidewalk chalk. We have candy sprinkled down in there, 2 eggs, and some Fun Dip, and a blow pop. All right, so the eggs do have candy in them. So that is the second one. And as you can see on here, I'm just doing the little mesh bowls. All right, and then on the Frisbees, all right, this is the Monopoly Frisbee. The one I did the other night was the Battleship, and I do have another Battleship. But for this one, I put a bag of Cheez-Its in there. We got our little bobblehead bunny, Blue's Clues puzzle. We got eggs in here. Move y'all over just a little bit and down. All right, and in the back, I put a plushie back here. We have the Tootsie Roll Pop, some Tootsie Rolls. I also have the little fun snacks here from Sam's Club as well. So this basket is done, and it's a nice little basket or Frisbee. All right, and then here's the other Battleship. All right, and this one has the Cheez-Its, some Fun Dip. This Fun Dip is one of the ones I got today at the Dollar General penny. So yes, I'm using those. We have a plushie in here as well. We have a lollipop over here. Another one of our little bobblehead candies here. I also included the Toy Story Forky little play set in here. Ring pop, our fruit snacks, and 2 eggs with candy, as well as our Tootsie Roll. And that's that one. All right, and then this one has one of our Kinder Kids in it. With the eye, y'all remember y'all told me her eyes looked funny. Well, she in the basket because she got to get up out of here, okay? So I have a Kinder Kid in here. We have sidewalk chalk, the Pez lip gloss, some Play-Doh, our fruit snacks, our 2 eggs, ring pop, and then on the back we have our Cheez-Its, lollipop, and our plushie. And of course our little bobblehead there. He's hiding behind the plushie there. All right, so that is this Frisbee. Let's see. And Then for this Frisbee here, we have another Toy Story. And I paired this with the Gabby Dollhouse little play set from the Dollar Tree. All right, plus our Peeps lip gloss. We have some bubbles in there. We have a small plushie in there. Our 2 eggs, Cheez-Its Sidewalk Chalk. And that's it in this one. All right, so that is what this one is looking like. And I decided to use the green grass on that one. Just to give it a little contrast. To go with some of the toys that are in there, since they had a lot of green in them. All right, and then this one is Peppa Pig. And I'm going to call it Peppa Pig because I do have 2 Peppa Pig items in there that are the main items in here. But this is by no means a Peppa Pig concept. But we have the Peppa Pig puzzle here. And the Peppa Pig playset here. And I put the Pez lip gloss in there with the Cheez-Its Sidewalk Chalk. We have our eggs, our Play-Doh, our bobblehead, plushie, and our little lollipop that doesn't want to stand up. He just slid right on down there. That's okay. He's in there. Yeah. Okay, so that is what I have done with these Frisbee concepts. And then the other 2 are 3 Hair Amazing baskets I showed you on the on my video. So that's what I've been up to in the Crafty Corner today, aside from sorting out candy and sorting out my Dollar General haul, getting it put up and getting these baskets started and made. I've also had to make some t-shirts for an order, as well as for my membership groups, and my cups. I've had to get those done today too. So it's been a very productive day, but very busy day. So thank y'all for tuning in to the Crafty Corner. Please make sure you tell me what you think. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you're not a member of the Crafty Creators Club, please consider joining. If you have not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? It's free. Come on and support your girl. You all have a wonderful evening. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you tomorrow night, 7 o'clock sharp. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.